So here we are going to take a closer look at how exactly we differentiate trigonometric functions. So we are going to take a closer look at how we differentiate the sine function, the cosine function, sec of a certain function, the cot of a certain function, tan of a certain function, etc. In this example, let's start by taking a closer look at the derivative of sine of x. Bear in mind that the derivative of sine x, straight away it gives us cosine of x. But we have a problem that we have here. It is given that y is equivalent to sine of 2x plus 3. Find dy dx. There are so many ways of doing this. You can use the chain rule to deduce the solution here, or you can quickly use the immediate result that you can get from the chain rule to quickly find the derivative of sine of 2x plus 3. So in this case, remember, if y is equivalent to sine of f of x, right, by chain rule, straight away dy dx will give us, so all what you have to do, you differentiate the function that is given here, which is f prime of x. So remember, f prime of x is the same as to say the derivative of f of x. So you have to find the derivative of f of x. Once you get the derivative of f of x, then you multiply by the cosine of that function. Quite interesting. For example, here it's given that y is equivalent to sine of 2x plus 3. So for us to find dy dx, other mathematicians, they use the notation y prime. So that dy dx or y prime is equivalent to, so in this case we have to find the derivative of 2x plus 3, the first thing, and once we get the derivative of 2x plus 3, we then multiply by the cosine of that function, the cosine of 2x plus 3. So what do we get? The derivative of 2x plus 3, straight away we've covered how we differentiate polynomial functions. The derivative of 2x plus 3 straight away gives us 2. So it's going to be 2 times the cosine of 2x plus 3. Yes, that's how we differentiate the sine of a certain function. The process is very simple and quite interesting. By chain rule, sine of f of x, the derivative of sine of f of x with respect to x, simply differentiate f of x and multiply by the cosine of that function, as you see in this example. Awesome.